We've all been there. You start a home improvement project with the best intentions. Then, the tools pile up. The instructions get lost. Suddenly, that simple project feels overwhelming. But what if I told you there are cool new innovations that can make home improvement easier and even fun? We're not talking about spaceships and robots, though that would be cool. We're talking about practical tools and gadgets that can transform your home and how you take care of it. Let's face it, home improvement can be a messy business. It's about getting your hands dirty and tackling those to-do lists. But it doesn't have to be stuck in the past. Just like we've upgraded from rotary phones to smartphones, home improvement has gone high-tech too. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to use these innovations. They're designed to make your life easier, plain and simple. In this day and age, we're all looking for ways to work smarter, not harder. That's what these home improvement innovations are all about. They're about simplifying tasks, saving you time and money, and giving you the power to create a home that's not just beautiful, but smart and efficient too. So, let's dive in and explore these game changers one by one. Imagine controlling your home's lighting and temperature with just your voice. No more fumbling for switches or remotes. Or how about keeping an eye on your home's security from anywhere in the world? With smart doorbells and cameras, peace of mind is just a tap away. And let's not forget about those chores we all dread. Robotic vacuum cleaners and smart irrigation systems can take care of the cleaning and watering for you. Ever thought about creating custom home decor with a 3D printer? Or assembling furniture with digital instructions that guide you step by step? Augmented reality can help you visualize home improvements before you even start, making planning and execution a breeze. From smart mirrors that help you get ready in the morning to smart fridges that manage your groceries, the possibilities are endless. These innovations are not just about convenience. They're about enhancing your lifestyle, giving you more time to enjoy the things you love. So, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, these tools and gadgets are here to help you every step of the way. Embrace the future of home improvement and discover how these innovations can transform your living space into a smart, efficient, and enjoyable haven. Stay tuned as we explore each of these incredible innovations in detail. Innovation to the rescue, indeed. Remember the clapper? You could turn your lights on and off by clapping your hands. It was a simple yet revolutionary idea at the time. Well, technology has come a long way since then. Today, we live in an era where smart home devices are not just a luxury, but a part of everyday life. These devices respond to your voice commands, making life more convenient and efficient. Imagine walking into your living room and saying, "Turn on the lights," and like magic, it happens. No more searching for the light switch in the dark. That's the power of voice-controlled lighting systems. They bring a touch of futuristic convenience to your home. No more fumbling for light switches in the dark. These systems can even be programmed to turn on automatically when you enter a room. But it's not just about lights. The world of smart devices extends far beyond that. Smart doorbells with facial recognition are becoming increasingly popular. They offer a new level of security and convenience. These nifty gadgets send an alert to your phone, showing you who's at the door, even when you're not home. You can see and speak to visitors remotely. They can also record video, adding an extra layer of security to your home. This means you have a record of everyone who comes to your door. And the best part is, they're easy to install and use. You don't need to hire a professional. Most people can set them up in just a few minutes. You don't need to be a tech expert to figure them out. The interfaces are designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Think of it this way. These smart devices are like having an extra pair of hands around the house. They take care of the little things so you can focus on what matters most. They automate everyday tasks, giving you more time and freedom to focus on the things you enjoy. Whether it's spending time with family, pursuing hobbies, or just relaxing. Plus, they can even help you save money on your energy bills. Smart thermostats, for example, learn your schedule and adjust the temperature accordingly, ensuring energy efficiency. Now, who wouldn't want that? Lower energy bills mean more savings in your pocket, and that's always a good thing. The integration of these devices creates a seamless smart home ecosystem. From lighting and security to heating and entertainment, everything can be controlled with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. Smart devices are not just about convenience. They enhance your lifestyle, making your home more comfortable, secure, and efficient. The future is here, and it's smarter than ever. As technology continues to evolve, we can only imagine what new innovations will come next. One thing is for sure, smart devices are here to stay, and they will keep making our lives easier and more connected. So, embrace the future and let smart devices transform your home into a smart home. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. Welcome to the world of smart devices that listen, respond, and make your life better. The future is now, and it's smarter than ever. We all know the importance of saving energy. It's a topic that's been on everyone's mind, especially with rising energy costs and growing environmental concerns. It's good for the planet and our wallets. By reducing our energy consumption, we not only help to preserve natural resources, but also save money on our monthly bills. But sometimes, it can feel like a chore. Managing energy usage manually can be time-consuming and frustrating, especially when you're already juggling a busy schedule. That's where advanced smart thermostats come in. These devices are designed to take the hassle out of energy management. These intelligent devices learn your heating and cooling preferences and adjust the temperature automatically. Over time, they get to know your routine and make adjustments without you having to lift a finger. They can even tell when you're away from home and adjust the temperature accordingly, ensuring you're not wasting energy heating or cooling an empty house. This feature alone can lead to significant savings over the course of a year. And don't even get me started on water conservation. Water is another precious resource that we need to use wisely. We all need to do our part to save water, and smart shower heads can help. These devices are designed to optimize water flow, providing a luxurious shower experience while using less water. These innovative shower heads are designed to deliver a satisfying shower experience while using less water than traditional shower heads. They use advanced technology to maintain water pressure while reducing water usage. They often come with features like multiple spray settings and adjustable flow rates, allowing you to customize your shower experience to your liking, giving you complete control over your water usage. You can choose a gentle mist for a relaxing shower or a more powerful spray for rinsing off quickly. The beauty of these energy-saving technologies is that they work behind the scenes, seamlessly integrating into your daily routine. You don't have to change your habits or make any extra effort. You hardly even notice they're there, yet they make a big difference in your energy consumption and your monthly bills. It's a win-win situation. By investing in smart home technologies, you're not only making your life easier, but also contributing to a more sustainable future. Imagine the impact if every household adopted these energy-saving devices. Together, we can make a significant difference. Now, let's talk tools. Remember the days of struggling with bulky, inaccurate tape measures? Thankfully, those days are long gone. Digital tape measures are here to make your life a whole lot easier. These compact devices provide accurate measurements at the push of a button. No more squinting at tiny markings or worrying about misreading the tape. Plus, they can store multiple measurements, making it a breeze to keep track of your work. And for all you drilling enthusiasts out there, multi-purpose drills are a game changer. These versatile tools can handle a wide range of drilling tasks, from drilling into wood and metal to driving screws, and even mixing paint. They come with a variety of attachments and bits, making them an indispensable tool for any DIYer. These modern tools are all about precision, convenience, and efficiency. They're designed to help you work smarter, faster, and with greater accuracy. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, these tools will undoubtedly elevate your home improvement game. Thanks to these cutting-edge tools and devices, making your home smarter and more efficient has never been easier. Which of these will you try first? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating stories about history, inventions, technology, and the secrets that shape our world.